How to add a McDonald's gift card to your Apple Wallet. You want to go into the App Store, and here we will search for an app called Pass to You. We need to use this as a middleman. So Pass to Your Wallet, add store card, just like that, and you want to get this application here with this icon. Once you have it, you will click on Open. Now it's going to look a little something like this, and we want to click on the orange plus sign. Then we will choose Apply a Pass Template. Now we will use the search bar again in the top right, search for McDonald's, click on Done, and if you spell it correctly, it should appear here. You want to get the one with the most downloads or the most times applied, so this one, and it's gonna look like this. We wanna customize this to our specific card's numbers. So here in the top right we have the card number, the card holder. You can click on the pencil icon and just type out your name, and at the bottom you see this pencil icon again. If you click on it, then you have to scan your McDonald's QR code. After you have filled out this information, click on Done and click on Add in the top right. Now if we go back to our Apple Wallet, you should have this card here. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.